Wix is also great for selling digital products. It is user friendly, yet it may take a while for the beginners to come through multiple features. Friends, all these questions what you can ask in comments and from Wix. Does Wix give you money? Yeah, Wix give you money. Is Wix good for beginners? Yeah, Wix is that's good for beginners. How much does it cost to join Wix? No costs, depend on you. If you want free use it, you can use free. And if you want a premium plans, you can select premium plan. Is Wix really free hosting? No. Free hosting not gives you. If you want purchase hosting from Wix, then you can purchase hosting from Wix. Is Wix better WordPress? It depends on your experience. Wix better is the gives you free templates or WordPress may be same. How can I earn fast? If you earn fast money, then you go to WordPress and Wix, make a website. After website, you can publish some and many blog. Then people read your blogs and you can apply monetize website. Then you want and earn money from website. How can I earn fast money? I give you an already answered. Wix bats, no Wix bats. Wix is not better than WordPress. WordPress and Wix is similar. What are the device want of Wix? Device want not given you Wix. Wix is the good advantage of Wix. Does Wix own my domain name? Yes, you can take domain name from Wix. How much does a website cost a month? Is different plans which you want on your pocket money. Is Wix good for selling products? Yeah. Wix is the best way to sell a product to you want create your own website. Then to make a website. Is Wix free blogging? Here's behind the scenes. Yeah, yeah. Website templates. Wix give you website templates, premium plans, website design, e-commerce website builders, Wix blog about us. Wix is an Israeli software company providing cloud-based web developing servers. It allows user to create HTML5 website